Welcome to the video. Today we are going to solve Fibonacci series up to nth term. So in this question you are given a value of n and you have to return n Fibonacci numbers in a list till nth term. Okay, which means not n number of terms but nth terms. Okay, so as you can see in example 1 the value of n is 5. Okay, and as we know that first two numbers of Fibonacci series is 0 and 1 for sure. Okay, and the ith number in Fibonacci series will be the sum of previous two values. Okay, so as you can see the first two values are 0 and 1, 0 and 1 for sure. Then then this index 2 is the sum of previous two sum. Okay, index 0, index 1. Then at index 3 we have 2, which is the sum of previous two values. Then again next index 3, 3 is the sum of previous two values. Okay, so on and so forth. So this was our Fibonacci series till nth term, which is 5. And there's a catch in the question that the terms can become very large based on the value of n. So we have to return the terms modulo this 10 raised to the power 9 plus 7. Cool. In example 2 also you can see there's a similar approach, just that for each term you'll have to do modulo operation. So how we'll do it? So since this is pretty easy question, first of all, I will create a variable m and store the value of mod in it. 10 is power 9 plus 7. And now I will create a result as a list in which I will store the first two numbers, which are 0 and 1, and they will always be there. Now, now what to do? I will start. I can start a for loop or any other loop, but I will do while loop. I mean, just I respect. Then while the length of this result list is less than or equal to n, I mean there should be n numbers, right? We have to return the Fibonacci series up to the nth term. Fine. Now, while length of result is less than or equal to n, because we have to return the nth term till n term, n number of terms, then it should be equal to n. And at a point it moves beyond n, it will go out of bound and will come out of the loop. Good. Now, what I will do till we are inside the bounds, I will append just simply sum of previous two values, which is res minus 1 plus res minus 2. Minus 1 previous value, minus 2 and second previous value, second last value. And since we have to also do modulo operation for each term, we will do over here, and at the end we'll return the result list. Okay, let me submit and check the efficacy of our solution. As you can see, it does the job pretty effortlessly. Okay, so this is very easy question and there's nothing more to explain. I mean, and I hope you learned this valuable concept and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a very nice day.